This is a video of the accident caused by the staff's hoisting. In the video, the inclined boom crane is loading the cargo box into the truck. However, the workers thought that the cargo box was a little crooked in the horizontal direction. So he climbed onto the truck and manually adjusted the horizontal position of the cargo box. When he tried to pull the flat lifting slings on the cargo box, through his manual adjustment, the horizontal position of the cargo box could almost fit into the truck. Just as the cargo box was slowly descending, an accident occurred.